Starting a bicycle mechanic business is a fantastic way to turn your love for bikes into a career. If you're passionate about cycling and enjoy working with your hands, this could be the perfect fit for you. With more people biking for fun and transportation, there's a growing need for skilled bike mechanics. This business lets you help your community while making money doing something you love. In this video, we'll talk about everything you need to get your bike repair business up and running. First, let's explore the benefits of becoming a bicycle mechanic. More and more people are choosing to ride bikes. It's a fantastic way to stay active in a fast-paced big city or for recreation in a small town. Plus, every year, more bike infrastructure is being developed, making cycling more accessible to a wider audience. This growth means increased market demand for bicycle mechanics, providing great opportunities for you to attract more clients and grow your business. Even though bikes can be expensive, starting your own business doesn't have to be. All you need is a set of tools, some spare parts, and optionally a space for your workshop. Your workshop doesn't have to be your biggest expense. You can start from your garage, or if you don't have one, you can provide your services at your clients' locations. Being your own boss as a bicycle mechanic lets you set your own hours. This flexibility helps you balance work with family and hobbies. You can choose when to work, mornings, evenings, or weekends, and decide how many clients to take on. This control makes your job more enjoyable and allows you to build a business that fits your interests and lifestyle. Having a bicycle workshop is great for both you and your local community. You'll provide expert help to those who can't fix their bikes, making it easier for them to get back on the road. Plus, offering excellent service will help you build relationships and strengthen your reputation in the community. While it may seem like a perfect business opportunity, it's important to consider the downsides of becoming a bicycle mechanic. One significant con is seasonality, as demand for repairs and maintenance often drops during colder months when fewer people ride bikes, leading to inconsistent income and challenges in keeping the business running year-round. Another important aspect of becoming a bicycle mechanic is skill development, which is essential for providing quality service and staying updated with new technologies. However, it can be difficult to keep up, especially for those with little experience, as learning the necessary skills and techniques can take time and practice, making it challenging to compete effectively in the market. Talking about competition, when starting as a bicycle mechanic, you're not only competing with local workshops but also with online tutorials that make bike repair accessible to anyone. Since repairing bikes isn't rocket science, many people with a little time and basic skills can handle simple repairs and maintenance themselves, which can increase competition and make it harder to attract customers. But those challenges don't mean that having a bicycle repair business is a bad idea, especially when you consider how little you need to start it. First of all, make sure you have all the tools needed for your workshop. It's essential to have the necessary screwdrivers, wrenches, bike stands, and other equipment to handle both simple and complex bicycle repairs. It's a good practice to have the most important spare parts already in your possession, as this allows you to shorten the time needed for basic repairs and provides a better experience for your customers. Being well prepared not only improves customer satisfaction, but also helps you build a positive reputation in your community. You don't need to be an expert to start, but you need to start to become one. Make sure you can handle basic maintenance and repairs, such as replacing a tire, adjusting brakes, and performing all the necessary fundamental bike repairs. Although it's optional at the beginning, having your own location, such as a garage or workshop, is a great choice for a long-term business. This way, your clients will know exactly where to go when they need a complete bike maintenance service or just a quick fix. Even though you don't need an official license to become a bicycle mechanic, it's still a great idea to get certified by local or national organizations that issue trusted licenses and certifications and complete the essential courses they provide. We also highly recommend that you make your business official when you're ready to begin. Check out the link in the description of this video to find out how you can register your business in each US state. Now, when your business is up and running, you'll need a website for it. IKOL is a great choice for bicycle mechanics because it provides all the necessary tools to run your business, including a client management system, invoicing system, and e-payment options to help you grow online. Simply go to ikol.com, click Get Started, select Services, and search for Bicycle Mechanic. Then, choose all the services you want and click Continue. Fill out the rest of the information, and your website will be ready. And this is how it looks. Now your clients can book your services online with a simple click of a button. All the information provided by your clients will be visible in the tasks available on your calendar in your dashboard, making it easier to organize your work. Your clients can also send a quick quotation for one of your services. This information will be visible as a lead in your dashboard, making it easy for you to follow up. You will also get an AI-powered chat who will help you with customer service, so all of your clients will be taken care of, even if you don't have time for it. If you want to learn more about how to use your IKOL website and customize it, check out the tutorial playlist on our YouTube channel. When it comes to advertising your business, you have to remember a couple of key things. Since having your bicycle repair business is a local effort, you should focus your advertising on the community. Hand out flyers and hang posters wherever you can in your local area to show people nearby that they can trust you for their bicycle needs. You can even promote your services during local events and gatherings to reach a wider audience. Posting regular content on your social media is great for both building trust online and attracting new customers. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to boost your reach online. And most importantly, be creative in your social media strategy. Running ads online is a good idea. Target local audiences on the most popular search engines and social media platforms to supplement your online marketing efforts. This can help increase your visibility and attract more customers from your community. If your client forgot about an annual maintenance and you didn't remind them, it likely means you've lost a client. With email and SMS scenarios, you can notify your clients about regular maintenance or send them occasional offers and promotions. Email marketing is a powerful tool for long-term marketing strategy, and you should definitely take advantage of it. Overall, if you're a bike enthusiast who knows how to do basic fixes and maintenance, starting your own bike repair business could be a great choice for you. It will help you grow as an entrepreneur and establish yourself as a local leader in the biking industry. So don't wait, start your business as soon as possible, and good luck. IKOL, AI for Business.